Work until your signature becomes an autograph. Every time you level up, your old life will try to call you back. Don't answer. If you're a friend of everybody, you're an enemy to yourself. Avoid people who only respect rich people. Many people criticize you because they know you are doing better than them. God gives his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. Be like glass. If they break you, cut them. Silence also has a voice, but it needs a soul that understands it. If you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Your enemy makes you wiser. If you want to see results, look at the things you're doing now. Don't stay in bed unless you can make money in bed. A person born in a garden would never know the value of flowers. Make sure you don't spend major time on minor things. A child educated only at school is an uneducated child. If everything around you seems dark, look again. You may be the light. Some people will never support you because they are afraid of what you become. Life will test you with the same wound until you learn how to stop bleeding. Giving someone your trust is like giving them a gun. Either they shoot you or protect you. Your mistakes can also lead you to the truth. These pains you feel are messengers. Listen to them. A jealous family member is more dangerous than a hateful enemy. If you like a flower, you pick it. If you love a flower, you water it. Maturity is when you realize that it's only you who can fix you. Be a warrior, not a worrier. Shine like the whole universe is yours. Spending time with children is more important than spending money on children. Degree is just a piece of paper. Your real education is seen in your behavior. When making plans, think big dot. When making progress, think small. Your energy introduces you before you even speak. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Don't compare yourself to others. Be like the sun and the moon and shine when it's your time. Everyone has ideas. Few have the discipline to turn it into reality. An inch of movement is better than a mile of intentions. No one wants to know your problems. Everyone is curious why you're happy. Beauty is not in the face. Beauty is a light in the heart. Knowledge is knowing what to say. Wisdom is knowing when to say it. To attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, remove things every day. Never make someone your priority when you are just option to them. You will be forgotten as if you never existed. Clocks show time, and time shows people. Don't climb a mountain for the world to see you. Climb a mountain for you to see the world. The person you think you need the most will teach you that you don't need anyone. A goal is a personal promise to your future self. If you have much, give of your wealth. If you have little, give of your heart. Don't try to be perfect. Just be the best version of yourself. A true leader don't create followers. He creates more leaders. Some women will open your heart, some open your wallet, and some open your eyes. You have to die a few times before you can really live. Death comes in many forms, but the form of love is surprising. The most beautiful thing a woman can wear is confidence. A lion doesn't waste time worrying what sheep think or say about him. Most of the enemies you have are people once you helped in life. When your mood is not good without any reason, you are definitely missing someone. If they do not respect you, they do not deserve you. The trees that are slow to grow bear the best fruit. Money is like Deedle because it kills 99% problems. Follow your plan, not your mood. Wonder is the seed of knowledge. Reaching your goals is the fruitful result of discipline. Don't be closer to anyone because a small change in their behavior hurts a lot. Time doesn't heal anything. It teaches us how to live with it. Don't force anyone to stay in your life. If they really want you, they will stay. Everyone has skills and talent, but not everyone has a strategy. Small steps in the right direction can turn out to be the biggest step of your life. The worst prison in the world is a home without peace. Be careful who you marry or fall in love with. People fail in life because they listen to their friends, family, and neighbors. A truth that's told with bad intent beats all the lies you can invent. To be prepared is half the victory. Talent will get you in the door. Character will keep you in the room. There is no greater warrior than a mother protecting her child. Speak in such a way that others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. I'm smart enough to know that I'm dumb. Sometimes we don't show what we feel because we know there is no one to heal. Good things come to those who believe. Better things come to those who are patient. And the best things come to those who don't give up. Quiet people are actually talkative around the right people. Even if this world treats you badly, always do good for others. It will come back in amazing ways. The silliest woman can manage a clever man, but it needs a very clever woman to manage a fool. Thoughts have energy. Make sure yours are positive. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. With each decision and action, you build and shape your character. Earth belongs to the brave, but heaven to those who deserve it. A woman's guess is much more accurate than a man's certainty. To catch someone's lie, ask them just 3 questions. If you think someone is lying to you, ask them, "Can you tell me that again?" If someone keeps changing the same thing over and over, you know that person is lying. To catch a person lying, look them in the eyes when they are talking. This will scare them. Sleep with a dream. Wake up with a purpose. Live with actions. Love yourself enough to never lower your standards for anyone. Go where you're loved. Stay where it's consistent. Depth of friendship does not depend on length of acquaintance. The most powerful way to win an argument is by asking questions. It can make people see the flaws in their logic. Some people are both healers and harmers. They try to fix everyone they can, but in the end, they have no strength left to heal their own selves. God looks not at your form, nor at your deeds, but at your heart.